So last time we was studying about the Cartesian product, okay? In Cartesian product, we have studied that if there are two elements, that is alpha equal to A1, A2, A3, A4, and beta is B1, B2. What is number of the element represent the order of the number of element. So what is the Cartesian product? Cartesian product mean it representing by alpha cross beta. Okay. What is the meaning of this? That is set of all element of A and B, where A is element of alpha and B is element of beta. So this is order pair of this is a relationship between the element of two sets. If there is one set is related to alpha, the element is related to alpha, and other set is related to the B, then the relationship between the elements of alpha and beta is defined as the Cartesian product of alpha cross beta. Okay. What is the order? These are the set. I think you are familiar with the set. Anyone is not familiar with the set? Everyone is familiar with the set. Yes. Set represent the. You may say that they contains some numbers which must not be repeated. Okay. Have you any question? Okay. So these are the element of alpha and these are the element of beta. They are a different way to represent the sets and element. I will discuss in later, but currently this is alpha and A and B, A1, A2, A3, A4, and beta. B1, B2 is the element of beta. A1, A2, A3 and A4 are the element of the alpha. Order of set represent the number of elements in set. Okay. Order is always represent the number of the element. How many the elements are there in a set, that will be defined as the order of the. So what is the order of this set? Yes. Umar, what is the order of this set? Alpha.
A1 into B1.
No. My question is, order is 1 minute. Order is number of element in that set. So what is the order of alpha? 4. Yes. So order of alpha is 4. And order of beta is
2.
Order of beta is 2. Okay. Mean total number of element in beta is 2 and total number of element in alpha is 4. So what will be the alpha cross beta? Sorry. I have already told you that it will be contain all the element of alpha. Alpha element will be as a first element and beta element will be treated as a second. So what will be the element? A1, B1, A1, B2, A1, A2, B1, A2, B2, A3, B1, A3, B2, A4, B1, A4, B2. So these are the set of These are the set of the that is the set of the alpha cross beta. Okay, and what will be the order of this alpha cross? Order may be right here too. That order is 4 and this order is 2. And what is the order of alpha cross beta? This is first element, this is second. These are the element, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of element are 8. Always remember the order of alpha cross beta will be always equal to order of. So I must write in this way: order of alpha cross beta will be always equal to order of alpha, order of beta. So here order of alpha was a 4. So alpha cross beta order will be a 4 multiplied by 2, that will be equal to 8. Okay, it's clear? So that will be 4 cross will be equal to 8. Okay, what is the order of alpha cross beta? That will be equal to multiple of the order of alpha and order of beta. Okay, and so order of alpha cross beta will be equal to 4 cross 2, it is 8. Okay, and okay, so but what is the beta cross alpha? Order will be remain the same. Okay. Yes, what are the element of beta cross alpha? Umar? Yes. B1, A1, yes. B1, A2, B1, A3, B1, A4. Okay. B2, A1, B2, A2, B2, A3, B2, A4. So these will be the element of beta cross alpha. And you know that alpha cross beta is not equal to beta cross. So that is what is the order? Order will be the same. That will be 2 cross 4, that will be equal to 8. So that will be the total number of element. Okay. So whenever so this is the example of the Cartesian product, and that is represent the relationship between alpha and cross beta. Okay, any question? The element, how many element in beta? 2. How many element in alpha? 4. So number of element represent the order. So that's why that is the. Okay.